Did you know that a single watermelon disease can wipe out your entire harvest in just a few days? And one fruit fly infestation can turn an entire field of beautiful watermelons into rotten, unmarketable fruits. If you are growing watermelons or planning to start, this may be the most important video you watch this season, because today we're covering the major pests and diseases that attack watermelon crops, how they damage your plants, how they reduce yields, and the best control options available in Uganda. Stay with us until the end because we'll also discuss the exact chemicals, brand names available in Uganda, pheromone traps, fruit fly traps, and common mistakes that destroy watermelon yields. Welcome to Cultivate Uganda, where we help you grow more and earn more from farming. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like this video, share it with fellow farmers, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our farming lessons. Let's get started with insect pests. During the seedling to early vining stage, the biggest pests are cucumber beetles and aphids. Cucumber beetles are attracted to young, tender watermelon leaves and seedlings. They chew holes in leaves and stems, reducing the plant's ability to make food through photosynthesis. More importantly, they transmit bacterial wilt disease. Once bacterial wilt enters the plant, entire vines suddenly wilt and die, resulting in complete yield loss on affected plants. Aphids are attracted to lush, tender growth, especially during warm and dry weather. They suck sap from the leaves and young shoots, causing curling and yellowing. Aphids also spread viral diseases that stunt growth and produce small, poor-quality fruits. To control these early pests, use insecticides containing imidacloprid or thiamethoxam. Popular products in Uganda include Admire Pro, Platinum 75 SG, Confidor, and Actara. These products are best applied as a soil drench or through drip irrigation at transplanting. The roots absorb the chemicals and protect the plants for about 30 to 45 days. As the watermelon enters the vegetative growth stage, cutworms and heavy cucumber beetle infestations become major threats. Cutworms are attracted to fields with weeds and crop residues. They cut young vines at the soil surface, causing plants to wilt and die, reducing plant population and final yields. Heavy cucumber beetle infestations continue damaging leaves and weakening the plants. To control these pests, use insecticides containing bifenthrin or lambda-cyhalothrin. Commercial brands include Brigade 2 EC, Warrior 2, Duduthrin, and Striker. Apply these products as foliar sprays early in the morning or late in the evening. As flowering begins, watermelon plants become vulnerable to thrips, caterpillars, and rhineworms. Thrips are attracted to flowers and tender leaves. They feed by sucking plant sap, causing flower damage and poor fruit set. Fewer flowers become fruits, reducing overall production. Caterpillars and rhineworms chew leaves and bore into young fruits. They leave scars on the rind and make the fruits vulnerable to secondary infections and rotting, making them unmarketable. During this stage, avoid spraying harsh chemicals during the day because watermelon depends heavily on bee pollination. To control these pests, use products containing spinosad or chlorantraniliprole. Popular brands include Spintor 2SC, Entrust, Coragen, and Belt. Apply these products late in the evening after bees have returned to their hives. As fruits begin to develop and mature, two-spotted spider mites and fruit flies become major pests. Spider mites thrive during hot and dry weather. They feed on the undersides of leaves, causing yellow spots, leaf drying, and premature defoliation. When leaves die, fruits become exposed to direct sunlight, causing sunscald and reduced sweetness. To control spider mites, use products containing abamectin or bifenazate. Popular brands include Agrimec 0.15 EC, Acramite, and Abamec. Fruit flies are among the most destructive pests in watermelon farming. They are attracted to sweet-smelling and ripening fruits. Female flies lay eggs inside the fruits, and the maggots feed on the flesh, causing internal rotting and premature fruit drop. Infested fruits become completely unmarketable. If fruit flies attack close to harvest, use products with short pre-harvest intervals, including acetamiprid and pyrethrins plus piperonyl butoxide. Popular products include Asail 30SG, Evergreen EC, and Pyganic. For better fruit fly management, every watermelon farmer should use traps. Q-lure pheromone traps release a scent that attracts and kills male fruit flies, breaking their breeding cycle. Install 10 to 15 traps per hectare around the field perimeter at the first sign of flowering.
Protein bait traps attract female fruit flies looking for nutrients before laying eggs. Place these traps inside the crop canopy during early fruit set and continue using them until harvest. Before we continue to diseases, tell us in the comments, which pest causes you the biggest losses on your farm? Now let's discuss the major diseases that attack watermelon crops. The first disease is gummy stem blight, caused by the fungus Didymaella bryanea. This disease thrives during hot and wet conditions. It begins with water-soaked, V-shaped brown lesions on the edges of leaves before spreading to the stems. As the infection worsens, the stems crack open and produce a sticky amber-colored fluid that looks like gum. Gummy stem blight blocks the movement of water and nutrients inside the vine. The vines wilt and die, fruits stop developing, and young watermelons may abort before maturity. In severe cases, farmers can lose most or even all of their harvest. To control gummy stem blight, use fungicides containing mancozeb plus metalaxyl M. Popular products in Uganda include Rhydamil Gold 68WG. You can also use mancozeb products such as Mangozeb 80WP and Dithane M45 as preventive sprays. The second disease is anthracnose, caused by the fungus Colletotrichum orbiculare. This disease spreads rapidly through rain splashes, overhead irrigation, and heavy dew. It first appears as dark brown or black spots on leaves. Later, it attacks the fruits, producing circular, sunken black lesions on the rind. Under humid conditions, pink fungal spores develop inside these lesions and the fruits begin to rot. Anthracnose causes enormous economic losses because infected fruits become ugly and completely unmarketable. To control anthracnose, use fungicides containing azoxystrobin. One of the most popular products in Uganda is Amistar 250 SC. You can also use copper oxychloride products such as Fungaran OH, Blighton, and Cupravit, which kill fungal spores on contact. The third disease is powdery mildew, caused by the fungus Potosphaera xanthi. This disease thrives during warm weather and high humidity. It covers both the upper and lower leaf surfaces with a white, ash-like powder. As the disease spreads, the white coating blocks sunlight from reaching the leaves. The leaves turn yellow, dry up, and eventually fall off. When watermelon plants lose their leaf canopy, the fruits become exposed to direct sunlight and develop sun scald. The fruits also fail to accumulate enough sugars, resulting in small and less sweet watermelons. To control powdery mildew, use fungicides containing difenoconazole. A widely used product in Uganda is Score 250 EC. You can also use sulfur 80WP or Nativo 300WG, which contains trifloxystrobin and tebuconazole and provides both preventive and curative control. The fourth disease is downy mildew, caused by the pathogen Pseudoperonospora cubensis. This disease is common during cold, wet, and misty conditions. It starts as bright yellow spots on the upper leaf surface, while a dark purplish-gray mold develops underneath the leaves. Downy mildew spreads very quickly during rainy weather. The disease acts like an acid burn, causing leaves to dry up, curl, and die. Without healthy leaves, the plant cannot manufacture enough food for the fruits. As a result, the watermelons become small, malformed, and fail to mature properly. To control downy mildew, use fungicides containing propamocarb plus fluopicolide. The most popular product in Uganda is Infinito. You can also use products containing mancozeb plus cymoxanil, such as Tower 72WP and Marco 72WP, which are highly effective during rainy periods. The fifth disease is Fusarium wilt, caused by Fusarium oxysporum FSP cernevium. This fungus lives in the soil for many years and enters the watermelon plant through the roots. Once inside, it blocks the xylem, the plant's internal water transport system. The first symptom is usually one vine wilting during hot afternoons. Eventually, the entire plant collapses and dies. Fusarium wilt is extremely destructive because it often attacks plants just as they begin producing fruits. This means an infected plant can die before producing a single harvestable watermelon, resulting in a 100% yield loss for that vine. To manage Fusarium wilt, use products containing prochloraz manganese chloride, such as Octave WP, applied as a soil drench around the root zone. For prevention, treat seeds before planting using Maxim XL, which contains fludioxonil and metalaxyl M and helps protect young seedlings against early fungal infections. For successful pest and disease management in Uganda, always begin preventive spraying early. Apply contact fungicides such as mangozeb, dithane M45, and copper oxychloride products before heavy rains begin. During the rainy season, always add a sticker or spreader such as Integra or T-pole to prevent fungicides from being washed off the leaves. Avoid these common mistakes that destroy watermelon yields. Waiting until diseases become severe before spraying. Using the same chemical repeatedly without rotation. Ignoring fruit fly traps until fruits start rotting, spraying harsh chemicals during bee pollination, failing to scout the field every week, leaving rotten fruits inside the field, not using a sticker during the rainy season, regular scouting, crop rotation, field sanitation, proper spacing, removing infected plants and fruits, and rotating pesticides and fungicides with different active ingredients are essential for preventing resistance and maintaining healthy crops. Healthy vines produce healthy fruits. Healthy fruits bring higher yields and better profits. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe, like, and share it with other farmers, because one piece of information can save an entire harvest. Thank you for watching Cultivate Uganda. Until next time, happy farming, and may your watermelon harvest be abundant.